The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra redefines the limits of flagship smartphones with an uncompromising spec sheet built for power users and tech enthusiasts alike. It features a stunning QHD plus Super AMOLED display with a blazing 144Hz refresh rate, delivering buttery-smooth visuals and vibrant color reproduction for everything from high-speed gaming to ultra-crisp media consumption. Under the hood, the device is powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, ensuring top-tier performance and unrivaled efficiency. It's paired with a massive 32 GB of RAM and an astonishing 2 TB of internal storage, giving users a level of speed and capacity more commonly found in high-end laptops. Battery life is no concern thanks to the enormous 8,500 mAh battery, which promises extended usage without compromise, even under the most demanding workloads. When it's time to recharge, Motorola's industry-leading 200W fast charging gets you back to 100% in record time, virtually eliminating downtime. On the photography front, the Edge 70 Ultra shatters expectations with a groundbreaking 400MP camera system, offering mind-blowing detail and clarity that rivals professional photography gear. Whether you're capturing day or night shots, this sensor is engineered to impress. Altogether, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a technological statement. It fuses performance, innovation, and futuristic hardware into a sleek, powerful package designed to lead the next generation of mobile experiences.